If you need to jack up your Fiesta MK7 or whatever other generation of Ford Fiesta you have this standard jack. So this is the thing that will be lifting your car, and you need to place it right in the seal between the body parts. Right here. So you need to place the jack just inwards the wheel that needs checking up. If it's rear, just put it there in the closest position of the wheel. And here the same, if it's the front wheel, the closest position to the front wheel. And what else you will need to do, you will need to put something under the wheel that is diagonally opposite the wheel you're working with. So if you're working with front left wheel, you want to block the rear right wheel. It's very important if you have this kind of jack, because otherwise it can actually, your car can roll a little bit and your vehicle may just fall from the jack, so it may move, and this way you may easily damage something in your car, and you may also get some injuries. So be careful with that and always block the wheels. Don't only rely on the handbrake and just put in your car into the gear, because it will not help in all cases.